Welcome back to my channel Capturing Guys. This is Jilan. In this video I will show you the difference between the Samsung A50 versus OnePlus 60. So as you guys know that OnePlus 60 is almost double the price what Samsung A50 is available in the market today. But when I see the pictures, like I have taken the pictures in both the mobiles, and the same pictures looks completely different compared to the Samsung A50 to OnePlus 60. So let's start the video with this picture. There is no blur completely, if even at the bottom, even at the top. Okay, so I'll show you the same picture in OnePlus 60. See at the bottom, you see the picture is not that clear. Okay, whereas with the Samsung A50, the picture was really clear, and the each and every information in the picture, like especially the not just the focus point, every part of the picture is clear. Okay, so now let me show you the other picture. You have the multiple colors in this picture, and you see here there's a blue screen and the red color back, and then you have the black monitor, and then you have the green shades of the plant. The picture is very clear and there is no blur, and you see this black is appearing in actually black color. Okay, so there is no change of color, and even in green there's something called the picture dynamics. When you have a multiple colors in a frame, so all colors should be visible, like how your eyes actually see that. So in this, you see there this blue is showing the same way, and the red, but I noticed here the black is showing a different color, not actually the black. Here it is little brownish. Okay, and there you see the green, it turned out to be yellowish little, and it does not have the complete green color here. Okay, so and also the picture is not clear, and you see there is a little blur at the bottom of the picture. When you take a picture, the edges of the picture should be sharp, it shouldn't be blurred out. Okay, so in OnePlus 60, in this picture here, the color of the the stars here at the bottom, so this do not have clear edges. So even at the top there's a different edge, you see little blur at the top. And whereas in Samsung A50, you see it has different color, it's completely showing there, it's yellowish, but actual picture is this one, it's completely clear edges. In this mobile, the camera is really awesome, and I suggest, please, if you are a camera freak, I have already mentioned this in the unboxing video, if you are a camera freak, I mean who like to take more pictures, please do go ahead and purchase this mobile. Okay, so if you have not subscribed to my channel, please do subscribe and comment on this video. Okay, thank you, bye bye.